Mustaches, guys?
Mustaches rule. Yeah. I got one. She got one. She got
My name
one.
is Bob.
We should all have one.
That is Luis.
Yes.
That is Bert. That is my idiot sister.
I have an
That I love because she gave me a mustache. And that's Lily. She has an invisible
I'm
mustache.
an outsider.
Yeah, you are. Put your glasses on. We're gonna go. We're gonna go. We're gonna go steal ice cream from small children. You ready? Let's go! Ah!
What?
We're stealing ice cream. We're stealing ice cream from small children. We're stealing ice cream at small children from 8:30 in the morning.
You are a bad niece.
I'm gonna take off my mustache. It's like peeling off. Ready?
Put it on your
What about like slid down this? That'd be awesome. Woo!
I'm mustache
Put it on your
now.
forehead.
Okay.
Oh yeah, unibrow.
Ow.
I'm gonna have a unibrow.
Oh no, put yours on. Okay.
What if my fingers in front?
If you
Your
don't
finger's
put
on
your
there.
finger in the way.
Oops.
Someone put it on for me.
That's kind of stupid.
Does it go like this or like this?
I don't know.
Does it go like this or like this?
Doesn't matter. It goes upside down, upside down,
Like
upside
this?
down. No, no,
This
no.
is upside down.
No, no. Okay, then the other way.
Why?
Yes.
I can't play
It
with
just does.
Like right here?
Yeah. Ah, get it.
Oh. Let's go back inside. It's
I look
hot.
awesome. Okay, we're gonna go back inside.